In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust notification settings in Monday.com fast and easy. Let's dive right in. Managing notifications in Monday.com effectively can really streamline your workflow and ensure you stay on top of what's important without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. The best part is, it's actually quite simple and only takes a few steps. To start, you'll want to click on your profile photo. You'll find this usually at the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard. It's the little picture icon that represents your account and serves as the gateway to your personal settings. Clicking on your profile picture will give you a drop-down menu with a bunch of options related to your account settings. Once you've accessed the drop-down menu, the next thing you need to do is select My Profile. This will take you to a new window or tab with various tabs at the top, dedicated to customizing your personal workspace. One of these tabs is labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications. This section is specifically crafted to help you manage how you receive information about the activities happening in your projects. Now that you're on the Notifications page, you'll see several options laid out for you regarding notifications. Here, Monday.com offers you the flexibility to decide through which medium you'd like to receive these notifications. You can choose between email, desktop, or mobile alerts. By selecting email notifications, Monday.com will send updates directly to your inbox, keeping you informed wherever you access your emails. Opting for desktop notifications will prompt updates to pop up directly on your computer screen, making it ideal if you spend much of your time working on your computer. Meanwhile, mobile alerts are great for staying updated on the go, as they send notifications straight to your mobile device. Make sure to consider which type of alerts work best for your workflow and preferences. You might want to combine them to ensure you don't miss critical updates, or keep just one type of notification to minimize distractions. The last and crucial step after making your selections is to save your preferences. There should be a Save button on this page that you need to click. By saving your preferences, you ensure that Monday.com starts delivering notifications based on your set choices immediately. This simple action personalizes your experience on the platform, molding it to better fit your working style. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can fine-tune your notification settings in Monday.com quickly and easily. Mastering how and when you receive notifications can vastly increase your productivity and ease the management of your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.